Exponent and logarithm. Today we are going to solve these three questions. Welcome to Home of Math. This is very important question for any kinds of international mathematics examination. Let's start. The questions are: first one, determine the logarithm of 32 in base 4. Second one, prove that a by b times root 49 equals to 1 by 7. And last one, if c equals to 0, find the value of x. Look, for this question we can take help from some given information. Question A. Here is: determine the logarithm of 32 in base 4. So just log base is 4 and 32. This one we will simplify. So first one, log 4. This 32, what can we do? In this case, a trick is we have to make like this format: log base a and a, which one is equals to 1. So in this case we have to make log base 4, and here we also need another 4. So in this case 32 we can divide by 2. So here is what? 16. If we divide by 2, it will be 8, again 2, it will be 4, again 2, it will be 2. Okay, so here is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now look, here is 5, and which means we can write this 2 to the power 5, right? 2 to the power 5 means 32, but here base is 4. Our target here we have to make 4. So in this case, look, these two we can write root 4. Okay, root 4 means 2 and power is 5. So we can write like this: root 4 power 5. Okay, so in clear we can write like this: here is a root 4 and power 5, which means 32. And now look, log base 4 of, once we omit a root sign, or if we want to remove root, so we can write like this: 4. We know root a means a to the power 1 by 2. So here is also same thing, 1 by 2, and here times 5. Okay, so this one is like log 4 and 4, 5 by 2. So this one we can write 5 divide 2 and log 4 of 4. Why we can write like this? We know log of a, b and to the power c, we can write c log base a, b. Okay, so now look, 5 by 2 and this one become 1. Why? We know log a of a equals to 1. So our answer is 5 by 2. Very simple. Okay, so determine the logarithm of 32 in base 4. The answer is 5 by 2. Okay, so first question answer done. Thank you. Second question, prove that a by b times root 47 equals to 1 by 7. So here is a and b, we can get information from given part. Here is a means 7 to the power m plus 1 divide 7 to the power m to the power m minus 1. So this one is 7 to the power m. Okay, so number B, left hand side. A divide B times root 49, and our target to make 1/7. So A we can write 7 to the power m plus 1 divide 7 to the power m and to the power m minus 1, and B means 49 to the power m plus 1 divide 7 to the power m minus 1 and to the power m plus 1 times, and root 49 we can write 7. Okay, and here equal sign we can use here. Now look, 7 to the power m plus 1, 7 to the power m plus 1 and 7 m square minus m, and this one 49 to the power m plus 1, this 49 we can write 7 square, and here is m plus 1 divide here 7 m minus 1 to the power m plus 1, this one we can write m square minus 1, because we know a to the power b to the power c, it means a to the power b times c and times c, and this fraction we can flip, so we can write like this 7 to the power m plus 1 and here 7 m square minus m times. So this denominator will become 7 m square minus 1 divide this numerator will become 7, here is 2 and to the power m plus 1 we can write 2m plus 2 times 7. Okay, now look, we can simplify something like here is 7 7 7 7 and here is also the 7, its means power is 1. So this one we can write like this 7 and here is m plus 1 and this minus m square plus m, right, times here 7, so m square minus 1, here 2m minus 2 and here 7 to the power 1. Now look, here 7 m and plus m, it will become 2m minus m square plus 1, and all the base are same, so power will be add in multiplication. So here is m square minus 1 minus 2m minus 2 and plus 1. Now look what will happen, this 2m and minus 2m out, minus m square plus m square out, and look here is minus 1 and here is plus 1, so it will be out. Look, here is also another plus 1 we didn't write, so it should be right here plus 1, right. So look, minus 2 and plus 1, it will become minus 1, so 7 to the power minus 1, our answer is 1/7. Look, we also need 1/7, so we can write this one right hand side, because left hand side and right hand side are equal, therefore we can prove this one and it's a proven or proved. So number A and number B done. This is not tough math, but we have to careful about sign, and once we flip we have to write carefully the power. Okay, so now we will start number C. Number C, if C equals to 0, find the value of x. Look, in given part, C means we can write here number C. Here C equals to 0, and instead of C we can write log x plus 5, then plus log x minus 5 minus 4 log 2 minus 2 log 3, okay, equals to 0. We just replace the value of C. Now the property of log, we know some rules, like as we know log A plus log B, we can write log A times B. So similar, here is log x plus 5 plus log x minus 5. Against this one we can write log x plus 5 times log x minus 5. Okay, now minus, here is we also know A log B, we can write log b to the power a. Okay, so similar, log 2 and this 4 will become power. Here is also same thing, log 3 power will be 2 equals to 0, right? Now look, log x plus 5 x minus 5, we can write x square minus 25 minus, here is log 16 minus log 9 equals to 0. Now this one, log x square minus 25, we can take common minus, so here is log 16 plus log 9 equals to 0. Now this one, log x square minus 25 minus, similar, if this one is a and this one is b, so it will become log a times b, it means 16 times 9 equals to 0. Log x square minus 25 minus log, we can use calculator, it means here is 16 times 9, 144, right? So 144 equals to 0. And now here is, suppose x square minus 25 will be a and 144 it will be b. So here is log a minus log b, we can write log x square minus 25 divide 44 equals to 0. So this one is log a minus log b, it means log a divide b. In subtraction, once we combine log, it will become log a by b. So now this one we can write x square minus 25 divide 144 equals to 1. Why? Because log x equals to 0, once we remove log, it will become x equals to 1. Okay, now we can cross multiplication, x square minus 25 equals to 144, then x square equals to 144 plus 25, it means what? 169. So once we square root both sides, so it will become x equals to plus minus 13, right? And x equals to plus minus 13 is our answer, but we have to we have to verify is it plus 13 or minus 13. Look, for verification we already did our work. We get two result, x equals to plus 13 and minus 13. So once we verify first 13 plus 13, we just put the value 13 instead of x, so 13 and we get log 1, which means 0. So plus 13, x equals to plus 13, okay. But once x equals to minus 13, look, it will become minus 13 plus 5, minus 13 minus 5, then minus 4 log 2 and minus 2 log 3. The result will become negative. So log negative is undefined. So we cannot use x equals to minus 13. So our result is x equals to 13. Okay. So hope you understand this one. This is very important math for any kinds of competitive examination, job examination, entrance examination. It will help you once we complete these kinds of math. So thank you very much being with me. Please share my channel and subscribe my channel, and don't forget click the notification bell item. Thank you.